In this video, I will show you how to update software on Garmin Forerunner. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Keeping your software up to date will ensure that you get the best performance and latest features on your Garmin device. Software updates are downloaded and installed using one of the following methods. First would be through Garmin Connect app. The Garmin Connect app will download software updates automatically behind the scenes while your device is connected to your mobile phone. There are no steps required for you to take the latest software. Generally, any release updates will take up to a week to download before automatically or prompting to install on your device. Another way for you to install the latest software on your fitness device is through Garmin Express. Garmin Express software provides the ability to check for and download software updates automatically each time you connect your device to the computer. So once an update has been downloaded, safely eject your device from the computer and disconnect it. When your device powers on, you will receive a prompt to install the update. While the installation is in progress, do not operate any buttons or engage the device until the installation is complete. And that's basically how you can update software on Garmin Forerunner. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.